You see these glowing ads for KoalaCloth promising streak-free cleaning with just water and no chemicals, so I checked it out for you. We're going over what it really is, what people say, and if it's worth trying. KoalaCloth is a premium microfiber cleaning cloth, often sold in XL size, that claims to remove limescale, water spots, soap scum, and dirt from glass, mirrors, showers, cars, and more, using only water. The company markets it as an Australian-inspired product with ultra-fine fibers that absorb 9x more liquid and leave surfaces spotless. It's positioned as a reusable, washable alternative to cheap cloths and chemical sprays. Now let's verify whether this website appears genuine. The main sites have been around for about 14 months. Griddensoft shows acceptable trust signals. Trustpilot has over 3,600 reviews with a strong 4.7 rating, and people are leaving positive feedback every hour about how well it cleans glass and showers. Support is responsive, and they offer a return policy. User experiences are mostly positive. Many customers say it leaves glass and mirrors truly streak-free with just water, works great on showers and car radiators, and holds up well after multiple washes. Some mention it's better than cheaper microfiber cloths they've tried. A few note it performs best when new and may need proper care for long-term use. Pros: excellent streak-free results on glass, large size, reusable and washable. Strong customer feedback, 4.75 from 600+ reviews. Cons: premium price compared to basic microfiber. Performance can drop slightly over many washes as if not cared for properly. One important consideration: it's a high-quality microfiber cloth that works very well for glass and light cleaning. It's not magic. Heavy grease or old stains may still need a bit of elbow grease or a stronger cleaner. So in conclusion, this is my take. KoalaCloth appears to be a legitimate and well-liked microfiber cleaning cloth with strong real user feedback. It may be worth considering if you want a larger, effective cloth for streak-free cleaning around the house or car, especially with the solid Trustpilot rating. Many people are genuinely happy with the results. This video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making a decision. If this helped, drop your thoughts below. See you next time.